Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to center taskbar icons on Windows 10. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Windows. Now on bottom you can see these are my taskbar icons and they are on the left. Now to make them on center, first of all right click on this taskbar and uncheck this lock the taskbar. And now our taskbar is unlocked. Again, right click on taskbar and go to these toolbars. And over here you will find these links. And over here you can find these links over here. Now to make these icons on center, just drag these links to the left and adjust this link's vertical line on the right. And you can see our icons are on the middle. Now again right click on the taskbar and again check this lock the taskbar, and you can see our icons are on the middle of the taskbar. So in this way we can center taskbar icons on Windows 10. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.